Sláinte. It's a bit too early in the morning here to start with the beer. It's also been a while since I made my last video, and that's just because I've been away. Was on holidays for a few weeks, and then with other stuff on, I just didn't really have much time to work at the bike. But what I did do, unfortunately, and I didn't get a chance to video it, is I busted one of the fork seals on this bike, and it was one of them jobs I'd never done before. I was a bit nervous about doing it. I was chatting with a good mate of mine who had done it once or twice in the past, so we went round to his house to do it, and more or less we went round for the beers, to be honest, not really for the ham. But when we were around there, he wasn't comfortable with videoing the changeover, so I didn't want to pressure him. So I did take a few photos that I'll cut into this on the end of this video, so you can see various stages of the bike. It was fork seals was kind of one of them things, when you watch a load of other people doing it, it always comes across as not a great job. Like, it's not a pleasant job, but to be honest, it's one of them jobs that when I finally done it, I didn't actually mind doing it, and I wouldn't hesitate to do it again and do it by myself this time. So any of you have any problems with your fork seal, this is a job that a novice could do. I'll point out a few little bits here, but there's way better videos to go watch on YouTube there that'll give you a better indication. I don't know if any of you follow Saddle Tramp or Pro Monkey. They're two good people to watch. Like the novice as well, like myself, and they run through it. They probably do a better description as they go along. But what I done is I took off the front fender, took off the brake caliper, and then I took the headlight off. There's a bolt right here, so you unscrew that bolt, just the headlight and the bracket just comes straight off. And then when you go around to these front covers, take that screw out, and that screw, and then you do the same on the far side, and all these covers come off. So once all that's off, and then I take the front wheel off, and then unscrew these bolts up here, and then inside here, that's a pinch bolt there, up in there. That's why you need to take these front covers off, so you loosen that pinch bolt and the front fork pulls straight out. When we were doing this, good job we done it. On the passenger side, we'd actually broke the pinch bolt, so I reckon when I hit the pothole, not only did I bust this fork, I also busted that pinch bolt on the far side. So when the fork's apart, if you watch some other videos, they will give you a good indication of what to do, but same thing again, it's a easy enough thing. I found it anyway. But inside the fork lower, there's like a retention clip, so you just pull that clip out. Once that clip comes out, you just give them to a quick tug and they come apart nice and easy. And then I bought a kit from Harley to replace all the stuff on it. That'll be in the photos at the end. But it's straightforward enough. And then the same thing, you just do everything in reverse, put it all back in again. And you're doing it for the first time. When I done like wheel spacers and stuff, I just took plenty of photographs before I ever messed with the wheels. When I put them back together, I know what spacers where. I know I've had the wheel off loads of times, but it never hurts to take an extra photo just in case. It's easy to delete the photo. And but we got the whole front of the bike back together, as you can see. And I haven't tested it yet, because we had a good drop of drink that day, and my mate actually dropped the bike back just the other night for me. So sometime today I'm going to take it for a test run, and hopefully the front end is a lot more solid than it was. My mate who took it for a ride, he's been riding Harleys longer than I've been born, and he reckons it's a great job. It's a different bike now. So that's what I want to hear. And that's it. I'll not hold you back any longer. I normally like to try and video this as go along, or cut in and out as I'm doing it, but I didn't get the chance this time. And as I say, if I'm going to work on the bike and I've mates willing to come give me a hand and hang out and drink beer, I'm going to pick that over videoing it. I only do the video and just for a bit of fun now in the shade when I'm bored. So that's it. I'll leave you all. Bye. Thought I'd cut back into this video just to let you know I've took the bike for a test run. Currently still doing it. I'll be probably going for another hour or two on her. But front of it's solid again, feeling lovely. There's a few parts I missed about when we're chatting about the forks and stuff. When you take the axle out, there is bolts up the way that you'll have to take out to drain the oil out, and there is also a screw down, or another bolt at the bottom you can actually take out as well to drain the oil out through that. So I do advise watching other videos on YouTube that will be more detailed. Even Sonny Badger does a good one on the forks as well. So, but that's it. I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna go find a pub somewhere and have a beer. Cheers.